Illuminated EPC warning light on the dashboard of Volkswagen Golf, Passat, Jetta, and Polo is quite common. EPC stands for Electronic Power Control. What this fully means is a bit more complicated though. Unlike warning lights with a clear area of trouble, an EPC light can involve various systems and parts. This can be anything from the traction control to the throttle system. Issues can range from mild to catastrophic. In this video, I will tell you what are the main causes of the EPC light coming on, and above all, how to fix it. A damaged ABS sensor. One of the most common causes of the EPC warning light coming on in Volkswagen cars. The ABS sensors register the acceleration of the wheels. It takes this information for the ABS system as well as the EPC system. The ABS sensors are located on the wheel hubs and are continually exposed to dirt, water, and dust, which can lead to failure. It can cause problems with the ABS reluctor ring, where the ABS sensor measures the speed. Front wheels must be removed for cleaning. I recommend having it done at a garage. A failed brake pressure sensor. If you have a Volkswagen and the EPC light comes on your dashboard, there is a good chance the brake pressure sensor failed. The brake pressure sensor operates like a brake light switch, but not only does it measure on and off, it measures the brake pressure you have applied to the brake pedal. If the brake pressure sensor has to be replaced, it can be somewhat difficult as it sits inside the ABS control module. In many cases, you will have to replace the entire ABS control module if you have a problem with the sensor. Keep in mind, a replacement can be expensive. A failed brake pedal switch. The brake pedal switch or brake light switch will let you know when you have hit the brake pedal, and the car should activate the brake lights. It's also used for other functions, including the cruise control system or the EPC system. One big problem is if there is a problem with the brake pedal switch, the EPC system will not recognize when you press or do not press on the brake pedal. Therefore, it will illuminate the EPC light and record a fault code. Throttle body failure. The throttle body dictates how much air should enter the engine when you hit the gas pedal. It uses the throttle body to control the engine power, and if there is a problem with the throttle body, the EPC system cannot function properly. The majority of body throttles are electric, and if there is an issue, it will light up the engine check light, and the EPC warning light will appear on your dashboard. A damaged steering angle sensor. You will find the steering angle sensor located behind your steering wheel, and it is used to measure what position the steering wheel is in. The EPC system will take this information to determine which direction you have turned the steering wheel and then correct the brake force using this information. In order to turn the steering wheel, there is a clock spring where the wires to the steering wheel angle sensor and steering wheel buttons go. The clock spring has been known to fail, and if it does, it might look like a problem with the steering angle sensor. A faulty engine sensor. The EPC system uses many different engine sensors to work correctly, and if there is a problem with one of them, it could result in the EPC warning light. It's important that you read the trouble codes when you see this light in order to pinpoint where the problem initiated. There are certain sensors that trigger the EPC light, including the MAF sensor, the IAT sensor, the ECT sensor, or the oxygen sensor. We will give you more information to help you find out which sensor is causing the EPC light to come on. Wiring problems. Due to all the electronic wiring in your car, there is a good chance that there is a wiring problem that will cause the EPC to come on. Wiring problems can be difficult to locate unless you are already familiar with the vehicle wiring. The most common issues are burned out contacts or corroded electrical contacts. If you have tried everything but can't figure it out, you should contact a professional technician to help you. To switch off the Volkswagen EPC warning light, you will have to read the trouble codes using an OBD2 scanner. Once you understand the trouble codes, you will have to continue to troubleshoot these codes. Is it safe to drive with the EPC light on? Quick answer, no. The EPC light could indicate a wide range of problems, some relatively minor and some more serious. If your vehicle has an illuminated EPC warning light and is in limp-in mode, you need to take it to a dealer for diagnosis and repair as soon as you can. In addition, some Volkswagen vehicles equipped with an electronic stability control system may shut down entirely when the EPC program detects problems with the EPC management system. So if you're searching for new Jetta cars for sale, it's important to take note of this. Can a dead battery cause the EPC light to come on? Yes. Your vehicle's systems and sensors rely on a baseline voltage to work properly. Any dip in that baseline voltage, from a dead battery, failing alternator, or even a bad or loose battery cable, can be enough to cause drivability problems, or just shut the vehicle down entirely and trigger the EPC warning light. How to reset the EPC light? Various generations of Volkswagen vehicles have multiple procedures for resetting the EPC light. I advise you not to do it unless the problem that triggered the EPC light has been diagnosed and repaired first. Whether it's a Volkswagen EPC light or a check engine light on some other make, these systems are designed to take a lot of the guesswork and deduction out of diagnosis and repair for technicians. The tech has tools that can quickly access the code that caused the EPC light to come on in the first place. After interpreting the code and doing a little reading between the lines, the tech can then track down the part or system that's at fault and make a repair. How long can I drive my Volkswagen with the EPC light on? You shouldn't drive your Volkswagen if the EPC light is on. This critical warning system is designed to communicate one or more drivetrain problems. While some cases can be minor and solved quickly, many issues related to the EPC light can cause severe damage if you continue to drive your Volkswagen. Can low oil cause the EPC light in my Volkswagen? Low oil can cause the EPC light to illuminate in your Volkswagen vehicle. Low oil levels can quickly turn into severe engine damage, or even complete catastrophe, with a new engine needed afterward. This is why it's so important to frequently check your vehicle's oil level and get on-time oil changes.